Having both the younger generation and the older generation right at this business aid is super interesting. So ladies and gentlemen, I have with me another beneficiary of this great business aid. He is a fashion entrepreneur. Let's meet Mr. Kayode. Am I correct?
Yeah, Kayode.
Hi, good afternoon. How you
Good
doing?
afternoon. I'm good. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. So tell me, how do you feel to be here and how did you get to know about this business aid?
It's been a good use of my time being here today. Actually, a friend sent me the registration link, and I applied for it, and I was chosen as one of the beneficiaries. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so tell me, what is your greatest highlight of this great business aid?
The one-on-one consultations, actually. That's actually my highlight, because I was able to explain the problems I'm having with my business with a consultant who was able to put me through, and that was, really enlightening for me.
Okay, so what area of consultancy are you talking about? Is it digital or?
Yeah, so it was strategy first, then it was digital. I mean, I'm trying to scale up my business, so I needed some advice, on how to move processes in my business without it being felt. You understand? Then I struggled a bit with digital marketing, and I spoke to someone that has put me through. I'm going to practice those things, and hopefully it will work. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, of what effect do you think this business aid has on your business as we speak?
Well, so it's tagged business recovery. I think it's pretty much going to do that. It's just going to help us, upscale from here. We have the necessary tools that we need now to, at least we have more information. We're even going on with packs that would help us to, research more and stuff. So of course, it's going to, improve the way we run business.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So, what are your words of commendations to the distinguished Senator Adetokunbo?
This is actually the first time I'm benefiting directly from a politician. Let's just put it that way. And I'm really impressed. I'm really happy that he's looking towards this sector, because we are like the backbone. The SMEs now, the backbone of the country. And if you can build, people that employ people, we employ. I mean, each of us employ maybe like 10 people. You understand? So we're like,
Imagine 1,000 people employing 10 people.
Exactly.
So what are your words of commendations to the distinguished Senator Adetokunbo?
This is a very laudable event. Actually, we're glad that I am glad that I'm part of this, and I want to encourage him to keep it up, because he's focused in the right direction. We SME entrepreneurs are like the builders of the country, so he is directing the energy in the right way. You should keep it up.